guys, it's Brooke and you're watching The Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do that blueberry barbecue sauce recipe that I was telling you about. It was developed by Chef Vivian Howard. I tried it. She had like a sort of deal worked out with Williams Sonoma a few years ago, and that's when I first tried it and I really liked it. I watched Vivian Howard's show called The Chef's Life. It was on PBS. And I saw her making it, but she never gave the recipe. Well, lo and behold, apparently it was in this French magazine called Saveur. S-A-V-E-U-R. I'm sure I slaughtered the pronunciation, but sorry. So I found a recipe online for it because Williams Sonoma doesn't carry it anymore. So for this recipe, you're going to need the following things. You're going to need 3 cups of blueberries. You're going to need 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And you're going to need a 3-inch piece of cinnamon stick, and then you're going to need some chili flakes and 2 cups of sugar. So for the first part, you're going to put, looks like 2 teaspoons, I'm looking at the recipe right now, 2 tablespoons of vinegar in a food processor. I'm going to use my blender by Breville because my food processor cord is a little too short, so it won't fit, it won't reach the plug attached to my table. So we got 2. And we're gonna put the blueberries in here with them. Okay, so I kind of froze my blueberries and thawed them because I wasn't using them right away. So, but that should be okay. Because basically, I think we're just supposed to get them all like, I don't know. I think we're just supposed to get the juices flowing, really. So, okay. And, okay, there goes that. Oops. Butterfingers going here. And so we're supposed to pulse to break them up and get some juices flowing. Okay. So it's on. Okay, pulse. Oops, I see a blueberry stem in here. I mean, which is not going to kill you, but still. Okay, let's try this again. I'm guessing this is probably what I told you to use a food processor. Probably would have gone smoother, but like I said, my cord won't reach. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more vinegar to this bad boy, just to give it some more liquid. Okay. Alrighty then. So this is why you should follow the instructions. Okay. Actually, I guess I probably should have measured that out, seeing how they only told me to put 2 cups of vinegar in there. Okay. We're almost there. Okay. Just a little bit more, and then I think we'll be good to go. Okay, so I think that's good. Okay, so it basically wants you to get the juices flowing, which I think we kind of did. Okay, so let me bring the camera over so you guys can see the next part of what I'm about to do. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add Oops. Okay, so I'm going to use the saute function because I need to really combine everything and cook it. It does take a while, so temperature. Oh, I guess there's. Okay. So I need to add the blueberries with the vinegar. Okay. And the sugar. So there's the blueberries, which have been pulverized. And then I have to add vinegar. Let's see. I think I probably use like a cup and a half before. Excuse me, about a half a cup before. So I'm gonna add a half cup now. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the sugar, which is 2 cups. Okay. And I am making a mess everywhere right now. But that's the fun of cooking, right? Making a mess. Okay. I have a scooper somewhere. And I do not know where I put it. Oh, I'll just use a smaller. So I already added 1 cup, so this is cup number 2. Okay. And then I need a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. You're supposed to add bay leaf to this, but unfortunately I don't have any, and of course I forgot to look at my phone when I was in Wegmans today. Okay, and some cinnamon stick, which I had going on in there. And so I have to bring to a simmer, probably to melt the sugar, and then I'll do the whole Instapot thing for like, I think 6 minutes. Okay, well, the sugar is definitely not dissolved yet, so bring the camera closer. Hopefully I'm not making anybody car sick. There we go. Oh, it started. Okay, so I'm just stirring right now, so I will come back on once something interesting happens.